Let Western Enterprises make the manifold selection process easy with our convenient and simple to use Manifold Configurator tool located on our website. This handy tool will help to assist you in the selection of the proper manifold for your application. First, start on our website, westernenterprises.com. Under the Innovator Manifold products, click on the Manifold Configurator. Enter your complete contact information, including name, email address, company name, your phone number, and a brief description of your manifold application. Next, choose your application. Next, choose your type of gas. After you have made your selections, click on Select your CGA fitting. Now select your CGA options. Then when finished, click Select your method of distribution and line pressure. Next, select the number of cylinders and any additional items that you might need. When you're finished, click Get Part Number. Then, you will receive an email with the recommended solution, catalog pages, and specifications. Our knowledgeable manifold product specialist will contact you with additional information and to answer any questions you have regarding our manifolds. If you have questions, you can always email us at manifolds@westernenterprises.com.